In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change login bar in Wix Full 2026 Guide for Beginners. Let's start by opening Wix and signing in so you land on your main dashboard. This is your control center for every website you manage. From here, look through your list of sites and choose the one where you want to update the login bar. Selecting the correct site ensures you're editing the right project and keeps your workspace organized. Once you've picked the site, click Design Site to launch the Wix editor. Give it a moment to load. When the editor opens, you'll see your page canvas in the center with your layers and tools around it. The login bar is usually placed in the site header, often near the top right area. If your template includes member features, you'll see it as a compact element with text like login or a profile icon. Click directly on the login bar to select it. When it's selected, Wix will show a small toolbar and an options panel tailored to that element. This is where you control how the login bar looks and behaves. Now choose Explore Designs. This opens a gallery of ready-made styles created specifically for the login bar. You'll find variations that adjust button shapes, icon styles, label text presentation, alignment, and background treatments, all designed to keep your site consistent and professional without starting from scratch. Browse through the design options and select the one that best fits your brand's look and feel. As you click a design, keep an eye on legibility and contrast so the label is clear against your header background. If your site uses a bold hero image or a colored header, pick a login bar style that stands out without overwhelming the navigation. After you click your chosen design, Wix applies it immediately to the element on your canvas. There's no extra configuration needed at this stage. The change is instant. You'll see the updated login bar right away, exactly where it sits in your header, so you can judge spacing, alignment with your menu, and overall balance in context. That's the entire process. Open Wix, choose your site from the dashboard, enter the editor with Design Site, select the login bar, click Explore Designs, pick the style you like, and view the instant preview on the page. A quick tip as you wrap up: aim for consistency with your brand fonts and colors, and make sure the login label remains readable on both light and dark headers. If you ever want to try a different look, just reopen Explore Designs and test another option. The change is non-destructive and easy to adjust.